Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is all about a Louis Vuitton unboxing and I am so excited to share these items with you. All of these items are from the In the Pool collection. There are two Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is nothing more than a Louis Vuitton unboxing that I am very excited to share with you. I pre-ordered 3 items from the In the Pool collection and I have 2 of them right here. One of them was a fail, but I will tell you all about that. So if you're interested in checking out what I picked up from LV, just keep on watching. Like I mentioned, I pre-ordered all of these items and I picked them up the Friday before Mother's Day. And here's the bag. And let me share what's in here. For starters, we have the receipts and they are pretty chunky receipts. Like I said, I had to pre-order and prepay. And then I had to be refunded for the item that just was a fail. All right. Also a cute little bag that my SA gave me. And inside he gave me these beautiful, beautiful cards because he knows that I just love these type of things. And this says, "Every day with you is a journey." And look how beautiful that is. And it's thick stock paper, very, very pretty. And they came with some plain envelopes. It does have a little flower on the back, plain in the front, and then he included the most beautiful stickers. Look at that. That is so, so pretty. All right, so thank you so much, Robert. I love all this stuff. These little things make me so, so happy. And now let's get into the unboxing. I've got 2 small boxes. And let us start with this one right here, which is something that the moment I saw was going to launch, I was, oh my goodness, I have to have it. But with all the things that were going on in my life, I just wasn't able to reach out and really try and pre-order. So by the time I said something, my SA was really scrambling to try and get this for me. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's got the beautiful LV ribbon right here. Drawer box, and let me know if you have any guesses. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you probably have a good idea of what is in here. And if you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy the video. And if you do, consider clicking that subscribe button down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And here she is, the beautiful, beautiful In the Pool mini pochette accessoire. Look at this. She is so beautiful. It is the gorgeous empreinte leather with a gradient embossed LV. Look at that. That is so, so pretty. Gold hardware. Oh, I love, love this piece. And then it has a beautiful leather tab at the end of the zipper. At the end of the tab in gold letters, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Not sure if you can see that. It's very hard. It was hard for me to see what it said with these eyes. The interior is the stunning, stunning pink microfiber. Oh my goodness. And here is the item number. And just Here, oh, look at this. This is too beautiful. I love it. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I am a mini Pochette addict. And so I, of course, had to have this. This is just too beautiful. So this is what she looks like, and just so pretty. The one other thing I do want to point out is if you look inside, there is no date code at all. Therefore, this must be one that has the microchip, because it does not have a date code anywhere. Very interesting. I am super excited to have added this to my collection. I love pink and I love the mini Pochette. So super excited. Okay, here is the next beauty that I picked up. And this was something that I had no plans and was scrolling through the website and came upon it and thought, wow, this looks interesting. This could be a versatile piece. So I went ahead and pre-ordered it. You couldn't get anything anywhere. Everything was out of stock. No stores had them, etc. Like I said, my SA had a call all over the place. I'm not sure what he did, but he did get it for me. So let me go ahead and share with you what's in this one right here. And afterwards, I will share the fail with you, which was very sad because I really wanted to be able to get that piece. And inside, oh, how pretty. He gave me another little card again. Oh, happy Mother's Day, Isabel. Look how pretty. So pretty. I love my SA. He is just super nice. And we've got some tissue paper. And inside we have, okay, let me show you. Inside we have the beautiful LV Envy. I think it's Bandeau. Let me just check. Yes, it is the LV Bandeau Dégradé Rosé, and it is beautiful. This is 100% silk. It has a beautiful light pink with white LV. And then the pink starts turning into a peach, which eventually turns into a light yellow, and then a little bit darker yellow. And basically this is the same pattern that they have for the In the Pool, the Go, and the Never Full, etc. This beautiful color pattern that starts with the light pink and then comes and just kind of floats down into this peachy pink, yellow. Look at this. It's so pretty. Okay, and then it has this silver LV buckle, if you will, right here. Now you may be asking, Isabel, why did you buy this? What the heck? Oh, let me point out, it says Louis Vuitton at the bottom. I purchased it for a couple of reasons. You may or may not know I have 2 LV scarves and I love them. And if you look on the LV website, you'll see that they show this and you can wear this a wide variety of ways. And I will do a video of how I'm going to wear this. But for starters, you can wear this simply as a scarf, which is super nice. And you can simply wear it like this with the LV right there. And there's a lot of different variations that you can do to this. You can also wear this on your hair. So I am super, super excited to experiment with this and show you guys how you can wear it if you pick it up or if you have picked it up. It's currently showing sold out, but they do have it also, I believe, in a blue color. And I see that they've come out with this type of bandeau or scarf and a couple of other patterns. So if you're interested in checking out how you can wear this a ton of different ways, let me know in the comments down below, because I am happy to do a video and I am super, super excited. Again, this is 100% silk, and you can take off, see, you can take off the LV off, and you can just use this without it if that's what you want. Like I said, extremely, extremely versatile piece. And, you know, I think this is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, last but not least is the fail, most unfortunately. And I'm going to pop in some pictures that I took while I was trying it on, and you will see why it is a fail. Editing Isabel here. I'm sorry, guys. I was so flustered when I was trying that on and it didn't fit that apparently I did not film it. What we're talking about is one of the LV bathing suits in the Damier Azure print. Stunning. I wanted to purchase it and wear it as a bodysuit, not as a bathing suit. And I ordered my regular size, which is a 38, and I could not, well, I could close the buttons, but they were like super, super tight. To be honest, it was like if my breasts were going to explode out of there, and it just did not look good at all. Like I said, it was sold out everywhere. It took him weeks to be able to get it to me, and so I had to just pass on it. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon. Bye.